Okay, so this is the problem we were working on earlier. If you notice, we have a 4 here from F to E. FE is 4. GE is the same as 3x minus 185. So I have to figure out 3x minus 185 plus 4. Okay, for this portion. Okay, so watch. This portion is going to be 3x minus 189. Okay, now I'm going to show you why. 3x minus 189 plus 4 is the same as 3x minus 185. You guys good with that? Okay, negative 189 plus 4 is negative 185. So that's where that comes. Okay, so then when I add these two together, let me mark them. I'm sure I'm getting into beach bowl of death. Yes, I am. Ye old beach bowl of death. If I add this piece and this piece together, I get this piece. So I am going to set them equal to each other right now. Okay, so I have 13x minus 993 plus 3x minus 189. That's going to equal 3x minus 129. Okay, so now we can play around with this, but I am going to combine like terms. Okay, so the 13x and the 3x, does everybody agree is 16x? Minus. Okay, and on your calculators, I want you to pause for a second. On your calculators, I want you to add a negative 993 plus a negative or minus 189. Okay, and I'm hoping you get 1182. Okay, so 16x minus 1182 is going to equal 3x minus 129. And I know that still looks crazy, but trust me, it's going to work out just fine. Okay, the next thing I want to do now is I'm going to simplify, but first I'm going to move up because I'm running out of room. Story of my life. Okay, so if we subtract 3x from both sides, we have 13x equals, and get your calculators ready again, because we'd have to add 1182 to both sides. So I'm going to do 1182 minus 129, and I get 1053. And now all I want to do is divide by 13. And I get x equals 81. And then I want to go back and I want to find GE. So, and if you notice, GE is 3x minus 185. I want to show you how to do something in the calculator. But in the meantime, I'm going to do 3 times 81 minus 185. I get 58. Okay, so for this, I get 58. Let me type it. Okay. Beach ball of death, so sorry. Okay. Yep. There we go. Alright. And I'm going to show it to you now, but I'm going to show it to you on the calculator as well, because we can store. Do you guys know how to store stuff in the calculator? It is your friend. Okay, so now I just want to fill in everything else. So I'm doing, hang on my calculator. Now, if you have your calculators ready, you're going to type in 81 And then you're going to hit the STO key, which is right above the on key. So I typed 81. I hit STO. Then alpha, STO. And then I hit enter. Okay, so I saved in the calculator's memory, I saved X as 81. So now all I have to do is plug in the equations. Okay, so now all I'm doing on my calculator is 13, and I'm hitting the X minus 991. Oops, 993. I lied. And I get 60 for this. Okay, I'm going to write it in a different color. But first, the beach ball of death. Stay tuned. Okay, so for this portion, I get 60. I hope you can read that. Now I'm going to do 3x minus 189, and I don't have to store anything else anymore because it's in there. So I'm doing 3x minus 189, and I get 54. And I'm doing, like, I don't have to really do some of the bottom stuff, but I'm doing it anyway. So now, remember, 54 plus 4 is 58. Oh, look, I typed it. Okay, when you plug this in, you're going to get 58. Okay, now I'm going to plug in 3x minus 129. 3x minus 129. And I'm getting 114. So watch, 1, 4. Okay, so, and this part is 54. So the whole thing here is 60 plus 54. And that's what we want. What's 60 plus 54? Oh, duh, it's, okay. Let's do 60 plus 54. It is 114. So we're good. Okay? Because this part was 60. This part was 54. 60 plus 54. The whole thing comes out to 114. Let me erase the extra stuff that we don't need, because that's how I roll. Okay, I'm a little eraser. I'm a little eraser, short and stout. Sorry. Okay, so we got it. All right, x equals 81. When we plug it in, it works. Okay. So, GE. We want, what do we want? Oh, we want GE. Oops. So we have 60 plus 58. What's 60 plus 58? 60 plus 58 is equal to 118. Duh, I should have just added 4. Okay. So, GE. Oh, no, GE's 58. I'm not the line tool. What am I? Excuse the errors and the beach ball of death. So GE is 58. Look at us. And the whole thing would be 118, but we're not worried about that. Okay, so this was a hard one, and I'm sorry I assigned it for homework. I'll never do it again until tomorrow or the next day. No, I'm kidding. I will not assign anything this hard again.